Hi friends, now we'll discuss the tool that is called blur tool. Blur tool. See, there is a tool blur. B-L-U-R blur. Why will use this? We will use this like this victim. Hmm. Sometime when police sketch, there should be like blur. Okay, face you should not aware who is she, just like this. Then what we'll do, just click the blur tool. You just select the brush here, size you can big and small and hardness. uh, just click here, see, just click here, slowly, just drag, see, you just mouse shaking and it will be blur. You cannot see, this is the blur. You can do like this. Okay, sometime another way, there is some confidential informations we have to have blurred or hide. Your personal information, your personal number, you should not show openly in the internet, right? Then what you will do, just second bracket, closing second, opening second bracket, click, it will be small. Okay, just click the blur tool and make it little bit small. Okay, then just drag, see, this is the blur, and this one also I want to hide, and email address also I want to hide. You just drag. Okay, that's it. Okay, I think it's very easy. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.